All right, folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here at the Avon Park Field. Got a little bit of a cross breeze. Gonna take up the E-FLITE VIPER 70mm. I have a KM model afterburner there, but I don't have it turned on right now. It's a little bright anyways. And just gonna take it up, have a little bit of fun. Just a good little sport jet. Mama and my son both had to work, so
starting the fun over.
Got a 3400 HCl SMC pack in there. The ADC discharge and high rates. Timer set for 4 minutes.
The gear is tucked away.
Very little pressure needed for inverted flight. Didn't even think about that.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Or she'll do a snap roll. Bet she will. Yep.
Timer, the gear is down. Braking. Cruise mode.
All right, so I got a minute and a half. Take her up one more time. Last time I lost my wheel. And it just comes off the hub and popped it right back on. I'll put a little bead of glue or something in there. All right, take off again. Don't need flaps today.
The gear is ESC20.
Maybe not.
Landing, takeoff flaps.
Yeah, a little bit slower down, a little bit. There we go. That's perfect right there. All right. Yeah, well, takeoff flaps turn out to be perfect. Just the right to slow it down, just enough.
30 seconds.
All right, pause right there. We'll take it back to the bench. We'll talk about it. All right, good thing we landed. I don't know if you're able to see this or not. Looks like I got 3.6 and 3/8, 3.6, actually 3.7s and 3/8 all the way down the board for 14% left. Hopefully you can see it. It's so bright right now. So good thing we stopped. So really, and I had 26 seconds left on a 4-minute timer. So honestly, yeah, 3.5 minutes would have been better, but that's okay. That's okay. All right, let me show you my flying rates I just flew in. Well, I'll just tell you, everything's 100% with 40% expo. everything is that. So this is what rudder looks like. This is elevator. And that's ailerons. Okay. Now, my flap settings that I use, 100% for flaps up, 100%, 0 mix. Takeoff flaps, 50% with negative 6% up elevator, and landing are 0% with 11% up elevator. And here's
The flaps are up.
here's what that looks like.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
It's got a 2-second
The flaps
deployment.
are up.
All right. Now let me show you my AS3X settings. Okay. The gains I've captured is not much because I don't need much. It's not that windy today. On roll, pitch, and yaw, 7, 9, and 9. That's what I just captured, and that was fine. Didn't notice any oscillation. Almost the gyro almost turned off. Priority, all at 100 on roll, pitch, and yaw. Nothing with heading. And this one has been updated to have the stop lock. So this is an older AS3X Plus video or receiver. So there you go. Nice little jet. Flies really, really well. Do have a KM model afterburner, but I didn't turn it on this time. I just left it off. But yeah, the canopy's off. Let me take the battery checker out. Put the canopy back on. All right. And on my VIPER videos, there'll be a camera roll here in just a moment of the plane sitting there and some pretty shots of it. All right. God bless y'all. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends, God is good. And that's the E-FLITE VIPER 70mm. Bye-bye.